Management, Galaxy Surfactants MD and CEO U.Shekhar is with us to talk about what transpired in the quarter gone by. Mr. Shekhar, good afternoon. You've seen a decent double-digit growth, in fact. What was the split between value, if you could tell us? How do you see India volumes versus overseas growing in the next couple of quarters, especially if you can give us some kind of a direction for the second half?
This has been a good quarter and a very good first half for us. India has been a good story for us. We grew by almost 21.5% in terms of volume. And overall, for the company, we grew in terms of volume by about 11.1% and EBITDA by about 18%. So this has been a pretty good quarter as well as a first half for us. And we do see this momentum continuing. India as a growth story will continue for the balance half of the year and hopefully for the next few years or so. And this has been, of course, driven by growth across various categories, both old categories as well as new categories. When I talk about new categories, I talk about face wash, body wash, hand wash, hand dish wash, etc. And across the world, we have grown on specialties. We have had in this quarter a growth of almost 43%. This has been, of course, the fruits of work that we have done in the previous 3 to 4 years. And this has been driven by the specialty ingredients, products such as mild surfactants, non-toxic preservatives, and these have been in the developed markets such as US and Europe. So overall, we do expect this momentum to continue, the growth of specialty care ingredients as well as the India growth story.
If we look at the AMET business, it's been challenging, but do you think the worst is behind? You've seen a sequential pickup over there.
No, we do say that, the AMET market, the Africa, Middle East, Turkey market has been challenging in line with the trend of depreciating currency as well as the various geopolitical challenges that have been there. We do hope that, the worst is behind us. We do look forward to a slow and steady, gradual coming back in the coming quarters and halves. And we are very optimistic as far as the Africa, Middle East, Turkey region is concerned, because where we hold a significant position. And we do believe that these challenges are short-term and they should be behind us.
It also looks like the specialty care products are something that boosted your performance and the margins specifically this time around. How do you see the segment grow in terms of margins trajectory over the next few quarters as well?
See, we have been working with various customers in various regions on these specialty care products, more particularly on mild surfactants, the non-toxic preservatives, proteins and sunscreens. We do see the traction of this has been most in the developed markets, but at the same time, even the emerging markets, we are working with a lot of customers. And in the coming years, we do see this particular category growing. And whatever we have seen, as I said, has been on the basis of the work that we have done in the last few years or so.
If you look at your guidance for the capex, you've guided for around 120 crore capex this fiscal.
Yeah.
How much has been completed and how will that lift your earnings in the next couple of years?
See, almost 70 crores is completed as on date. We would incur another maybe 50 crores before the end of this financial year, and the capex will go on stream from the beginning of the next financial year.
All right, Mr. Shekhar, thank you so much for taking time out to chat with us about the company's performance.